Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Power BI for free. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Power BI Windows. Click on the first link, which is the official Microsoft Power BI download page. Here you will see a language selection option. Choose English and click on download. Now you will see two options: Power BI Desktop Setup.exe or Power BI Desktop Setup 64-bit exe. So I have to select for 64-bit installer. Since my system is 64-bit, so I will select the second option. If you have 32-bit, then you have to select the first option and click on download. Once the file is downloaded, go to your download folder and double click on the setup file. Now here it is asking to choose the language. Just select English and click on next. The installation wizard will now open. Click next. Accept the license agreement and click next. Choose the installation location. Default it is eProgram files and just click next. Check the option create a desktop icon if you want. Now click install and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is complete, check the box launch Power BI desktop and click finish. That its Power BI is now installed on your system and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.